you are being recorded. So when you go to court, this will be played.
The whole time she's been saying, the whole time she's been saying, I hope your brother slowly. I'm gonna your family. When I get out, I'm gonna beat you.
The 19th of January, 2024, Sandy Springs, Georgia. This is the only video in this series with a fully confirmed court outcome, 4 guilty verdicts, 5 legal issues. DUI probable cause without a completed breathalyzer. What refusal actually costs. When a threat becomes a crime. What spitting on an officer charges as. And how body camera footage became the primary trial evidence. The initial approach to the vehicle was authorized under the community caretaking doctrine. Under Katie v. Dombrowski, 1973. Officers performing emergency assistance functions do not require individualized criminal suspicion. A car stuck on active train tracks with spinning tires and smoke visible is a community caretaking emergency. The moment officers detected the odor of alcohol on the subject's breath, the encounter transitioned from emergency assistance to a DUI investigation with probable cause developing in real time.
They are revving their engines. I've got tire bad, tire smoke bad. Oh, they're throwing rocks. Okay.
Out of the car now! Yeah. Stop the trains. Open the door. Ma'am, open the door. Okay, open the door. Yeah, because you're burning up your tires and you're stuck on the train tracks. Come on out. Alright, we're gonna go over here, wait for the train tracks in case they don't get the train stopped in time.
Yeah, because I'm not doing like too much.
Have you been drinking tonight, ma'am?
No.
You haven't had anything to drink?
No.
So why are you trying to go across train tracks when there's no
because
road?
I live there.
But you're going across train tracks with no road.
Girl, who don't cross the train?
Everybody. Nobody does that.
Girl.
Alright, get your hands out of your pockets for me.
You're doing too much.
No, ma'am, I'm not doing too much. No, keep your hands out of your pockets.
Y'all doing too much, I promise you. So much.
No, don't pull out of my grip. Don't pull out of my grip.
Girl, I'm not gonna do that. Why would I do that? It's crazy as fuck.
Can you watch her for a second while I
Yeah,
get stuff
because
right? Where's your ID at?
Girl, get it out of my car because I'm not fucking with you.
Don't jerk away from me right now,
I'm not
okay?
fucking with you. Get my ID out of my car, please.
I gotta call the railroad. I'm the railroad police.
Okay, I've told my dispatcher to
Because I don't want your car. Sit right there.
Right.
Don't make it.
Yeah, just stand right here for me.
Y'all doing too much. Girl, y'all doing too much.
Where's your purse or where's your ID?
Go in my purse, I swear.
I'll let them handle it. They here.
Well,
because they
I think they came straight across, and then when I pulled up, it was nothing but like burning rubber and like rocks being thrown at me.
I didn't throw nothing at her ass.
No, the car was spinning rocks out. Yeah, the car was spinning rocks out at my vehicle. No, ma'am, I'm not doing too much.
Hey, don't touch me.
No, ma'am.
So,
my car is right here.
yeah, it's on the track.
All right, I'm gonna let you watch it for 1 second. Did you find an ID?
No, I didn't check it.
Okay.
So when I saw him,
That's for a different vehicle.
Yeah, that one doesn't relate. Yeah, when I pulled up, it was like burning rubber smoke.
I saw when I came out.
I couldn't see anything, and it was like throwing rocks at my patrol vehicle, which is why I had to pull up there.
Yeah, I smell. You see it, I can smell it. So I see it.
I mean, you can see it on that side that she moved all the rocks.
What's your name, ma'am?
30.
What's your name, ma'am?
Alexander. 30.
Ma'am, what's your name?
It's 30.
What's your name? Okay. What's your name?
They just ran my name. She just said my name, so y'all gonna keep asking me my name?
I'm asking you your name. I
No,
want
I'm
over here
just
talking.
telling you, because that bitch right there.
Hold on. What we're not gonna do is we're not gonna disrespect nobody out here. Nobody's disrespected you at all, okay?
I know.
Okay, so let's refrain
She just
from.
said Shawan. Oh, y'all just did it.
But
Clear.
listen, I wasn't over here. Okay, so I came over here
I'm not f***ing with this girl.
who you not messing
Her.
with. Okay, that's fine. You don't have to. I came over here to talk
I
to
ain't been
you.
stuck on the tracks. I ain't even make it to the track.
How you get up there?
Because I was going that way. You can go that way.
No, you
No,
can't.
ma'am.
So the
Y'all
light,
can't?
No,
no,
look
so
at
the
that.
light.
It ain't no road.
This not a road.
You
This
shit.
that light is for you to turn like left or right.
No, we always go this way. I'm sorry.
No, not this way. No, so when you come from that road,
No, for real.
now
We
that
do
side-
go this way.
that
The only way you
that
can
light
go
down
is
there,
at that light
yeah,
across
that light
the
So that
street.
means I messed up on my.
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct.
So I'm gonna be real. I
Yeah,
messed up.
you did.
Yeah.
You're right. You're
So
right.
that light is what you're talking about, because it lets you go over the tracks.
Oh, I thought we could right here too.
No, man.
Where you
Because I
headed?
thought this was the public home.
You headed home? Where you
Yeah.
live at?
Off of Offset Road.
Oh, so you don't stay in Sandy Springs?
Yeah.
You do stay in Sandy
We got a
Springs?
place out here.
So you got two
yes.
places?
Yes.
Where you headed from?
Oh my God! Now you doing too much.
No, I'm not.
If y'all gonna lock me up, lock me
Where
up.
you headed from?
I'm telling you, this one finna go here.
You said I asked you where you coming from.
I'm telling you where I'm going.
Okay, you telling me that you're going home, but where you
Oh
coming
my God,
from?
baby, don't do this.
Where you coming from? Because how you end up right there?
Because
That's what I want to know.
the house stay down here.
Okay, but where you coming from to end up right
No,
there?
I don't have
I'm just
tell
trying to
you.
figure
I'm
out
telling you where I'm going.
how you ended up right there. Did you come straight across the light? You turn right
I
right
came from
here,
right here.
and you turn right up on the curb.
Yeah.
Okay.
Y'all so f***ing stupid.
Who you calling stupid?
Not you, baby.
Oh, okay, I got you.
No.
Let me ask you a question. I want you to be honest with me. You had something to drink tonight?
No, it have nothing to do with drinking.
You sure?
I promise you it don't
Because I
have
smell
nothing.
it on your breath.
Okay, you can smell it all day, and I don't give a f***.
So what you
You
had
know what?
to
Lock
drink?
me up. Y'all gonna lock me
What
up.
you had to
Lock me
drink?
the f*** up.
What you had to drink?
It is smelling.
What
I
you had
didn't
to
say
drink?
because it's not go to my car.
I'm asking you, what did you have to
Man,
drink?
get the f*** out my face.
Okay. What did you have to drink?
You think I'm stupid?
You
I'm
want to
not-
blow in the field sobriety?
I'm not.
The field.
And you gonna do it too?
You want to blow in the alcohol?
I ain't gonna do it.
All right, well, turn around. Don't turn
Okay.
around.
And y'all doing
Turn
all
around.
that like I'm gonna do it.
What we're not gonna do is
you
you're
not
not
gonna
gonna
do this.
you're not gonna keep on
Well, I'm not
acting like you.
disrespectful.
Yeah, you are. First off, you called my
not
partner a bitch.
disrespectful.
And then you're sitting
No,
up
I'm
here
talking
calling
about
folks
the girl.
stupid.
Okay, do
So
what
what
you
we're
gotta
not
do.
gonna
Do
do
what
is
you
that.
gotta do, baby.
And then what's stupid is how you ended up on that curb. That's what's stupid.
No, because
So right now you being placed under arrest for driving
you
under
gotta do,
influence,
baby.
less
I don't
safe,
give a
okay?
fuck. You
And
gonna
in addition to that, you
drive
got
on my
disorderly
God,
conduct,
for real.
okay?
Would you like me to get your phone out of the car, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. I haven't gone through your stuff. Is there a purse in there somewhere that you want?
Yes.
Where?
That too.
Where? Back seat?
It's in the front.
No, does she have a license in there?
I don't know. That's what I haven't gone
shit
through
in there.
anything. I opened it up and I looked to see if anything was like right there for
Yes,
like an
the
ID.
purse is there
What
too.
we're gonna do is if it's a wallet in there, just get the wallet.
Just
You
get the
don't need
wallet.
The DUI conviction was obtained without a completed breathalyzer test. Under South Dakota v. Neville, 1983, a breathalyzer refusal does not prevent a DUI conviction. It is admissible at trial as evidence of consciousness of guilt. Under Birchfield v. North Dakota, 2016, a warrantless breath test incident to a lawful DUI arrest is constitutionally permissible. The refusal to submit does not neutralize the other evidence. The train tracks incident, the odor of alcohol, the behavioral indicators, and the refusal itself. The subject's refusal was not a shield. It became a piece of the evidence that convicted her. The terrorist threats conviction turns on Virginia v. Black, 2003. A true threat is a serious expression of intent to commit unlawful violence against a specific identifiable person. The First Amendment does not protect true threats. The subject's statements threatening to beat the officer, threatening the officer's brother, the gun statement were serious, specific, and directed at identified individuals. They were also made after the officer warned her directly that everything was being recorded and would be played in court. She continued. The body camera recording served as direct trial evidence. The conviction followed. The spitting on the officer constitutes simple battery under Georgia law, intentional physical contact of an insulting or provoking nature. The kicking of the patrol car partition constitutes interference with government property charged as a felony. Both were captured on body camera. Both produced guilty verdicts. Neither required witness testimony to establish the footage was the testimony. The subject's bipolar disorder self-disclosure triggered welfare obligations under Kingsley v. Hendrickson, 2015. Officers arranged a nurse assessment the correct response. The disclosure does not constitute a defense to any of the charges. It is legally relevant at sentencing as mitigating context. The sentence 3 consecutive years of probation and 1 day in jail reflects the court's exercise of discretion at the lower end of the permissible range. Under Georgia law, the felony interference with government property charge alone carried a statutory range of 1 to 5 years. The subject received probation.
Man, get the f*** off of me, because now I got a problem with you.
We're going to walk to the car.
No, my mother.
You gonna come this way?
Wait a minute, why are you being an asshole?
We're gonna come this way. You the one that's not walking. Let's go. We coming right
What
here.
you saying? You acting like an Uncle Tom ass motherfucking nigga for real.
Okay. Come stand right here.
Okay, can you let me go?
No, you're gonna turn around and you're gonna face this way.
Oh, I got a gun, you dumbass.
Where you got a gun at?
In your mama house.
Well, you don't know my mom, so good luck to you.
Best thing for you to do.
No, but I'm lying. No, I ain't got no fucking
Step back
gun.
from me, okay?
Yes. You don't touch me. I'm fucking with her. I'm not fucking with you.
Hey, calm down, all right? You are being recorded, so when you go to court, this is where we play.
Girl, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to him.
That's my officer.
Well, he's an asshole.
I did just grab the whole purse because when I opened it, I saw money, and I'm not messing with money.
No,
if nobody else, I know. I'm
baby.
doing it with you in like right here, so others can see.
Thank you, baby.
Now you
This
be able
shit
to do
is
that
dumb
at
as
the
fuck.
jail.
You know what? Shut the fuck up talking to me, for real. No, because he's an asshole. And I don't want him fucking touching me.
Stop doing all that, okay?
Then, I mean, y'all doing all this shit for nothing. And then you gonna grab me on this side. You know what? You going to hell.
You already arrested, man.
But I'm arrested for what? A DUI. Y'all stupid as fuck.
All right, man.
Can you put my purse in here?
It's going to go up front with him. He has your ID right now, but your purse, which I put your phone in there, is going to go up front, and you get that back at the jail, okay? They'll go with your property at the jail. They'll count the money and all that, okay?
Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm going to do the impound slip.
Okay, thank you.
Well, I mean, you got this, and I really want this to stick. After that, I really want this to stick.
No, she ain't doing nothing right now. She ain't doing the whole time. She ain't been doing this, but making it worse against herself.
Yeah, so.
I mean, first off, she called you a
Well.
and then she went in saying we all stupid, and she said, oh no, she wrote herself dead to rights when she said this is a road, and I turned right up on the curb.
She said people. She told me that before anybody else got here. Oh, we do this all the time. I just live right here. You're doing too much. You're doing too much.
Did she refuse us officially?
She refused everything. I'm gonna go over here and read and apply consent to her. She already said she ain't doing nothing at all. So
Get the f*** out of my face, faggot. Get the f*** out of my
I got
face.
something to read to.
Fuck you. Fuck your mama. Fuck you.
The state of Georgia has conditioned your privilege to drive upon the highways
Your
of this
mama.
state upon your submission
Your
to
mama.
state administer chemical tests of blood,
Take me
breath,
to the
urine,
jail.
or other bodily substance
Stupid
for
ass.
purpose of determining if you are under the influence
Your
of
mama.
alcohol or drugs.
How about that?
If you refuse this test, and your
pull
Georgia
me over on
driver's
some
license or
bullshit.
privilege to drive on the highways
Your
of
mama.
this state will be
Your
suspended
mama.
for a minimum period
Your
of
mama.
1 year.
Your mama.
Your
And you're
refusal
lucky I
to-
come punch you in your face, because I will beat your ass.
Okay.
So
Your refusal to submit to blood or urine testing may be offered into evidence against you at trial. If you submit to testing and the results indicate an alcohol concentration of 0.08 grams or more, your Georgia driver's license or privilege to drive on the highways of this state may be suspended for a minimum period of 1 year. After first submitting to the requested state test, you are entitled to additional chemical tests of your blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substances at your own expense from qualified personnel of your own choosing. Will you submit to the state administered chemical test of your blood?
I'm just a faggot. Like, I'm just.
Will you submit to the
I'm
state
just-
administered
I'm just
chemical test of your
I'm
blood?
pulling somebody over because of no reason.
Will you
stupid.
submit to the state
Take me to the
administered
jail.
chemical test
Take
of
me to
your
the
blood?
jail. Take me to the jail, bitch.
Will you submit to the state
Your
chemical
mama.
administered
How about
test
that?
of your
And you
blood?
lucky I can't punch you in your motherfucking face.
Well, guess what?
Because I would.
You just added a charge to yourself.
I don't
Will you
give a
submit to the
faggot.
state administered
Man,
chemical
fuck you,
test of your
faggot.
blood? I'll ask you one more time.
And I'm
Will you
telling
submit
again,
to the state administered
faggot.
chemical test of
You
blood? Will you submit to the state
Pulling me
administered
over for
chemical
no
test
reason.
of your blood?
You. His ass. You know, get this nigga out my
82
motherfucking
radio,
face.
implied contempt rating refused at
He just
0446,
added you to a
0446.
charge. This motherfucker pulled me over for no motherfucking reason. He would have been better off pulling me over saying, oh, you burning rubber or something. You fucking disease.
Now I'm gonna get a warrant on it for terroristic threats. You better be glad. You better be glad I'm not in these handcuffs, because I will get out and beat your ass. So, yeah, she should be Llewellyn.
Stupid ass bitch. Like I give a fuck. Didn't want to tow my motherfucking car. You fucking fat.
Usually it's me who's seeing all the DUIs, Beth. Sitting over there.
Hey, I did good, I think.
You did.
I was, like I said, I pulled in over there. I was about to, I pulled in to, have a second, and I saw smoke, and I smelled burning rubber.
I mean, when we came out, we seen
I pulled up, and it was like I was in a cloud. I couldn't see anything, and then I tried to open the door, and I was getting, beat with pebbles.
Yeah.
I was like, ow. I was like, okay, I got to get out of this part.
Then they gonna say, take me to jail. Just take me, lock me up already. You should have already did this. You Uncle Tom ass. How about that? Take me to county jail, baby. Take me out of county service. You just mad because you can't drive an $80,000 car, you bitch. You a Uncle Sam ass bitch. And then you sitting up here doing this. You lucky I can't beat your mother. You bitch. You and your mama.
8211 radio, make sure that she's kicking my partition in my vehicle.
Take me to
Running
jail,
codes here.
bitch.
ADC.
Take me to you just mad because you ain't got a Benz truck. Take me to the motherfucker. Because guess what? I swear I'm going to get you f***ed up. I swear I'm going to get somebody to beat your ass. Stupid ass, pussy ass. You lucky I can't kick you in your f***ing face. You lucky I can't beat you in your f***ing face. If I can beat you in your face, I swear I would. You lucky, you win, baby. You think you gonna win. So I'm gonna get your ass on racism. I swear I will. Watch my cousin husband. Remember the name, Greg Abney. We gonna get you on racism. Yeah, tell them, sir.
When we take her out, Beth, when we take her out, I'm gonna snatch her out, since she's already said she's gonna kick me and been spitting and kicking.
Let ADC know we're outside with the female. She's already threatened to kick and spit on anybody that touches her.
We called. I don't know if we called and told them that she's irate and violent. So I don't know if they're coming out or not. Okay. You said you're gonna get them? Okay.
Yeah, let's wait for them because we're on their property.
But we're still good either way.
Oh, we're good either way, yes. You got your camera on?
Yes,
Okay.
It's been on the whole time. So yeah, when I open the door, I'm just gonna snatch her out.
I'm assuming she got out of her seatbelt?
Yes, she did.
Okay.
Yeah, she's been
Did she get her hands in front?
I don't think so. But
Okay.
she's been kicking the door. She's been kicking the whole partition, and then she spat multiple times at the center. The whole time she's been saying, the whole time she's been saying, I hope your brother slowly. I'm gonna kill your family. When I get out, I'm gonna beat you. You better be glad I can't kick you in your head. This thing is right here. I mean, the whole time.
Okay.
So she got me. She's talking about her cousin's husband works for the FBI. And I'm like, okay.
You writing down notes?
No, these are my charges.
Oh, okay.
You see?
Hey, stop that.
Cute. Wait till y'all see what I'm gonna do for you. Open the door, you pussy. You ass.
See, she just said she gonna f you up.
Okay.
You think you got something going on, she gonna f you up too, so. That's what she said. Don't get too close. She been spitting at me the whole time, so.
We got the nurse coming to check you out, okay?
Give us a few, all right?
No, I'm bipolar. I have paperwork. I'm bipolar like hell.
Okay. We can work with that.
And I told him when they pulled me over, it wasn't her. She followed his lead. Him right there. Look up Great Avenue. That's my cousin.
Who?
He's an FBI agent. That's working with the guy.
Okay, ma'am. You gonna come on out and take your body signs and get your book in. Okay, so y'all, what's your name? Nikki? Okay, well come on out. You with us now. Okay, she said she gonna come out.
She been kicking and
Well,
threatening
she
the
don't
whole
like
time,
you.
so.
She don't like you.
I don't like you, nigga.
Oh, okay, well don't tell him that. Come on, don't tell him
Oh,
that.
wait till my cousin's husband come to your ass. He slammed me down on the ground. I don't give a about him. And you know what? I'm gonna tell you about you. And you stop. And you gonna sit there and let him do that shit.
What did he
He's
do?
an Uncle Tom ass nigga. Get my purse.
I've got her purse and I've got her cell phone.
I got it right here.
But look, you gonna regret it too, cause I'm coming for both of y'all.
Okay.
Get my fucking head. It's back there too. Oh, stupid ass bitch. His name? No, make sure I get his name. Because I got your name. Because my cousin's husband is coming for you. You old pussy ass bitch.
You better bag up.
Fuck you, bitch.
The lead officer receives an A-. The train tracks emergency was managed without injury. The DUI investigation was documented with all legally relevant observations, and the warning that the recordings would be played in court proved prophetic and accurate. The A- reflects profanity directed at the subject during transport and the absence of a visible Miranda advisement on camera before the in-car questioning that produced the threat statements. The subject receives a D. Officers rescued her from active train tracks. She left the encounter with 4 guilty verdicts, a felony conviction, and 3 years of probation. Every charge arose after the rescue: the DUI from her own behavior and refusal, the terrorist threats from statements made after she was warned they were being recorded, the battery from spitting on the officer who arranged her medical assessment, the felony from kicking the vehicle that transported her. Every charge was preventable. Every charge was recorded. 3 lessons. First, refusing a breathalyzer is not a legal strategy. Under South Dakota v. Neville and Georgia's implied consent statute, the refusal is admissible evidence of guilt, triggers automatic license suspension, and does not prevent conviction when other probable cause evidence exists. In this case, officers had smell, behavior, driving conduct, and the refusal itself. The conviction required none of the missing chemical test results. Second, statements made in a patrol car after arrest are not private. The officer's warning you are being recorded and this will be played in court is not a legal requirement. It is a professional courtesy. The subject's continued threatening statements after that warning were admitted as direct evidence at trial and contributed to 4 guilty verdicts. A patrol car is not a private space. Every statement made inside one is on a record that may be played in a courtroom. Third, true threats are not protected speech. City of Houston v. Hill, 1987, protects verbal challenges to police profanity, insults, legal challenges. It does not protect statements that communicate a serious intent to commit violence against a specific person. The line between protected challenge and criminal threat runs through specificity and seriousness. I'm going to beat your ass when I get out. Directed at an identified officer, satisfies the Virginia v. Black standard. The conviction confirms where that line was drawn. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.